Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about Immutable X, IMX USDT trading pair with my customer Corsair. Let's dive in. Guys, around here, I posted the main bull run plan for Immutable X. So I recommend you go and watch that video, and all levels, all targets still relevant. Like you can see on the screen in my last video, I added two alerts, two notification, for Immutable X, and one not triggered, just a I don't know, few penny. So the notification is around this one, like 63 cents 8, and we stop it at 64.1. So yes, mine alert not triggered, and I still skip Immutable X because I already explained to you. First moment, my investment portfolio already formed, so I'm not buying any token now. If the condition, if the Immutable X will drop to this area, I will open the chart to take a look what's going on with Immutable X, and I will buy Immutable X for speculation, maybe with the leverages, if we drop again inside 27 block. For everyone who watched that videos around here during the November 2022 or October 2023, in this area, I posted the bull run plan for Immutable X, and I still believe in these projects, right? Because I truly believe the NFT, the GameFi sector still not pumped, but they will pump because I repeat itself. So the GameFi sector, it's easiest way for mass adoption and easiest way to pump the tokens, right? And the targets for Immutable X still, personally for me, still relevant. So it's a conservative price target around $6.84. Do I believe in $10.39? Basically, yes, but it's hard to say now with all of that stuff what happened in the last 2 years, basically, with the EDF, with institutional, with Donald Trump now. And guys, a lot of stuff happened in the last 2 years. That's why the world is changing, right? So sometimes we need to adjust the targets to more conservative price targets. So around here, we got like hype about the crypto, everything going to the moon, then we'll land it. And now it's hard to say what we will see next. And by timing, I'm million times also explained to you, if, for example, till this time, we will, by some magic, we will be around $6, $5, April, May 2025, or autumn 2025, it will be the top. So it can be the hypothetical top. I don't think so. We will see the extended cycle with altcoin season in main altcoin season, like super cycle or parabolic move in 2026. I don't think so. That's why I think we got a limitation by time. And capitulation, it's again 46 cents and 14. So zones for accumulation, absolutely the same. And guys, never say never. Technically, personally, for my perspective, no makes sense to drop the Immutable X lower. I delete the monthly favorable gap, so you can open the last video about Immutable X and check. So I mark the monthly favorable gap, and we close even to under even the full fill. So basically, I don't see any reason why we should drop lower. So basically, this one is close. So this one monthly gap close. Just to sweep the liquidity of September 2023, maybe. But technically, no makes sense. Technically, I mean by timing. So the people draw usually by trend lines. Who trade trend lines? So they draw the trend line like this one. So touch, pump. So we drop it down. So now people can call it off. This is a fake out. Of course, it's a fake out for everyone. It's always fake out. For that guys who are hostage of the position. So guys, never say never. If, once again, if the token, by some miracle, by some FUD, by some fear on the market, but some bad news around, will drop to this block, I will buy for swing trades. If not, I skip this token because I explained my investment portfolio already formed. So I'm just wait my target for another tokens. I can't buy every single token. If you looking to invest in Immutable X, in GameFi sector, technically, this is a good time for DCA. Yes, I'm not a fan of DCA, but it's around the zone of interest. So we've been here at 64, and you could, of course, accumulate it massive fulfill. So it was a logical entry, right? Next step where you can accumulate it 46 and 14. But monthly fee will get fulfill. It was a good entry. Yeah, you know, on a spot. Next step is a bullish one is $2.26 when we sweep this high. And like you can see, reaction at 61 level FIB. So FIB absolutely relevant. Next step, it's going to be 389, 415, and new all-time high. Maybe for you, it sounds not so bullish, you know, that target is not enough, but 1,600% gains, basically okay gains, you know, because guys are also 1,700. I explained it, a lot of tokens, not enough liquidity. Now for pump all tokens like 10x or so. So just in case, guys, be ready for that one. 100x, I mean. So all targets I showed you. Now the people can open short position, you know, and start call it as like a bear market or so. But I don't think so. I don't think so. We're in bear market anyway. Sooner or later, this liquidity pool will be sweeping this one. So just a matter of time. Let's take a look at what whales do now all this time period. But guys, once again, never say never, because I remember some guy around here, he made a comment like, he left a comment like, oh, you waiting there 46 cents? Good luck. So we almost dropped 15, 17 cents and didn't drop to that target. So guys, never say never in a crypto, especially in a crypto. It's a financial market with a high risk. So here, this was accumulation. This was a total distribution with a crazy divergence on the weekly time frame. It can't be the signal to buy, you know. And here only now we can see some signals on direction for accumulation. One dot. Yes, we can drop lower and the format divergence. It's going to be a crazy capitulation, guys. But the good entry for everybody who just will join the market first time. So I also made a post. Imagine that guys who just now will join the crypto market. They will purchase any token now and made a great gains in the next maybe months or a year. And they basically by gains overperform everybody, and include myself, who waste and spend the time for research, for analysis, for the charts, all this last 3 years. Just because in the right time, in the right moment. Market mood, money, power. Time to buy when we trade in a capitulation zone. Capitulation zone, it's a gray zone on indicator. So this was the best time to buy. So it was like 1, 2, 3. Basically 4 weeks in a row, it was like a capitulation zone, pump. Then we got here, capitulation, pump. We are in the capitulation again. And track with money inflow. So this money inflow, money outflow. So you could track everything by yourself, guys. And last indicator is last one. Trade on, take profit. Trade on, buy. So average entry here, 77, and take a look like 36. So average could be like 60, just for example. So at $1.50, market makers withdraw initial deposit, drop it down, bam. Take profit, sell, buy back, no signal to buy. So basically this one is okay, still relevant. So if you not fix it at the profit, you're not in losses, but basically you just waste the time. Also, take a look for the people who love the TA, you know, it looks like head and shoulder, right? So pum. And the size of this head and shoulder should be, let me show you. Like, so let's say like this one, right? So should be around here, technically. Based on the classic indicator, I hope, guys, it will not happen. Based on this indicator, so this is a head and shoulder pattern. And we should drop to, why and how it even possible, but we should drop to 1 cent. If we will, guys, congrats, we all wrecked. So the key point, guys, we can drop later. This indicator is not a magic, right? So sometimes it's not playing out. I don't see any good signs now on the chart. So, and imagine it's a weekly time frame. So Take a look with the last one. It's a take profit indicator. On the weekly, we dump it under fundamental value. Fundamental value, it's 76 cents. So we dump it under. Technically, it's good time to accumulate. Let's be real. We can drop to 1 cent, for example, if something will happen with Immutable X. You know, I don't know why. I don't know what should happen with Immutable X. Maybe delisting from the exchanges, or some, I don't know, some investigation or so. I don't know. I can't even imagine. But I hope Immutable X is a good project. It's not like something bad we'll see by news in the media soon about stocking. So I hope this head and shoulder is just, you know, like a classic pattern which will not play out on a distance. So that's it. Or will play out later after new all-time high, for example. So technically we under fundamental value. It's usually it's a good time to buy. Also, we tested fundamental value, 72 cents, and take profit now it's $1.91. So accumulate or not now, up to you. So technically we sweep the liquidity, drop it down. Why we should drop lower? I don't know. Maybe only if BTC dominance go to 70%. 12 time frame here. We tested till penny. Fundamental value, now try to hold the line at the buy line. So like you can see, the lines are dynamic and we can go lower by end of here. So this is the end of Chinese New Year week or 2 weeks. This one, February 12th. So till that time, we can drop again to zone of interest. So let's add alert just in case. It's hard to believe now, guys, to be real, to be honest. It's hard to believe, so we will drop to 46 cents. Because from these current prices, imagine, from these current prices, it's like minus 41%. But we can. So just in case. And the bullish targets, you know. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in the comment what do you think about Immutable X. If you would like to trade with my customer what I showed in this video, just write Maria. Subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.